Right, so the Black Stars just touched down, and as you can see, this is the team bus carrying the Black Stars of Ghana when they touch down here at the Pepe International Airport in Kumasi. Yes, the Stars arrived with 22 players. Let me state it that two of the players invited are not yet in. Jordan Pierre Ayew of Leicester City and Elisha Owusu of Auxerre are not yet in, and so the Black Stars arrived with a total of 22 players, and they are headed straight to their hotel at the Golden Bean Hotel, where they will be camping for the next 2 days before they play the all-important qualifier with Angola. Remember, it is AFCON 2025 qualifiers in Ghana here. Ghana are in Group F together with Angola. They are also in there with Niger and Sudan. And so the Black Stars will be playing their first game with Angola at the Baba Yara Sports Stadium. The team will train later Wednesday evening at the Baba Yara Sports Stadium, and then on Tuesday evening, they'll be training at the Baba Yara Sports Stadium. So from the Pepe International Airport here in Kumasi, the Black Stars, they've touched down, they've arrived, and everything is moving on well. My name is Richard Champon, reporting for 3 Sports.